Good morning, friends. You see, our topic for this morning is outside the camp where God meets us. You see, have you ever noticed that the most meaningful conversations don't happen in the crowd? They happen in a quiet, face-to-face situation. You see, that's exactly what we see in Exodus chapter 33. You see, after Israel worshipped the golden calf, sin had polluted the camp. So God told Moses to pitch the tent of meeting outside of the camp. And the question is why? The reason why is because sin separates us from God's presence. And see, friends, it was a powerful reminder that if you want God's presence, you must step away from compromise. You see, however, here's the hope. God didn't abandon his people, because the Bible says the following: anyone who wanted to seek the Lord went out to the tent. You see, friends, access was still open. And when Moses entered the cloud of God's glory that came down, the Lord spoke with him face to face, as a man speaks with his friend. You see, I want you to imagine that the creator of the universe speaking as a friend. You see, friends, Ellen White says it this way. She says the following statement: all who were truly penitent could come and seek the Lord. Patriarchs and Prophet, pages 327. That invitation is still open today. So let me ask you, where's your tent meeting? You see, maybe it's in your bedroom, your car, or even a quiet walk. See, wherever it is, God is waiting. And the miracle isn't just you can speak to him. The miracle also is that he can also speak back to you. So my appeal to you is this: step outside the camp, seek him, and you'll find a friend who still speaks face to face. God bless.